Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another unboxing video, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna grab this box. Oh my god. Here's the box. Got these in from, I think this is the Foot Locker pair, I believe. Yes, this is the pair from Foot Locker. Got another pair of these coming in from DTLR, and then I got another pair of shoes coming in on Monday. But I got two pairs of this pair that's in here, another pair of the other shoe coming in on Monday. So first things first, we got this guy right here. So we're going to go ahead, crack these guys open. Didn't mean to throw the box like that though. That was on accident, but go ahead, crack these guys open. I don't really even need this knife. This is pretty easy, but we'll just do the knife for the sake of the video. And so I don't accidentally smack myself in the face with the box if my arm decides to fling backwards like it's not supposed to. Easy in and out. Go ahead. Got the receipt right here. Go ahead, toss it to the side. And as you guys can see, flip it over. Nike Air Jordan 1 box. Go ahead, take it out. Just to be putting it right back in the box because these are already sold. Sold these guys on eBay for $280 shipped. I paid $192 for them and change. So size 9.5. You guys already know what's going on with these. We're gonna just go ahead and open them up. Toss the lid over there in the back. Get up nice and close. Go ahead, peel them back. Ooh, the smell of factory made shoes. That Air Jordan 1 smell. I haven't smelled this much of this smell since the David Letterman Jordan 1s. These are amazing. This leather. This is definitely reminding me of the David Letterman Jordan 1s. I got those a few years ago whenever they came out, when they were still sitting in stores. And they were smelling. Yeah, but these are pretty clean. Royal Toe, Air Jordan 1s, cop two pairs of these. People were actually, like, these were kind of hard to get. And honestly, I didn't expect them to do this well. I was expecting them maybe $250 the max because of the Royal Toe blue. And they peaked at $300 so far. I sold this pair for $280, and that point was when they were at $270 after they already dropped. So I sold these for $280 shipped, like I said. But yeah, they're definitely clean. Don't really care if I have a pair for myself like the other. These are size 9.5, and I got an 11. The 11's still available, but not really too concerned about having this particular pair in my collection for personal. It's a okay colorway. I'd much rather have the just the regular Royals than these. So these, definitely reselling the 11. I might hold them for a few months though until those go back up. Those are hovering around $250 right now. So I am going to be holding those. But this pair, like I said, is already sold. Size 9.5. Quickly give a close-up of those. You guys see the toes are like, it's definitely buttery. The leather is really good on these. Sorry if there's a little bit of a glare. It's like very sunny out today. For once, it's actually nice out. Usually it's either cloudy or raining or it's windy out. But today it's like 68-ish and beautiful, no wind. It's beautiful out. But Air Jordan 1s, Royal Toes, the leather quality is really good on these. Compared to the Court Purples, the quality is definitely better. But I like Court Purple, the Court Purple colorway better. Like I said, these, I'm not really worried about having a pair in my personal collection. Just wanted to get these in hand and resell. Like I said, I didn't even expect them to do this good. I was expecting like $250 max. And they got the $300, like I said. I sold this pair for $280 shipped on eBay. If you guys want to follow my eBay or my resale page, link will be in the description below. As well as everything else, my personal, my clothing brand page, Fizz New York. Fizz Kicks is my resale page. So go ahead, give those a follow. Instagram links will be in the description below. The Royal Toe Air Jordan 1s. If these had different color blocking on them like the Bread Toes did, I would probably want a pair to keep. But since they're mostly black with just like a little bit of blue, not really too stressed about keeping a pair of these. But if they had the color blocking like the Bread Toes, I'd probably be keeping a pair. But it is what it is. Royal Toe Jordan 1s 2020, excuse me. But anyway, guys, that's it. Hope you guys all enjoy. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, resale page, Fizz Kicks, clothing brand, Fizz New York. Everything will be in the description below. Make sure to go check out the new Fizz New York drop, the Dark Summer collection, live on the site. Link in the description below. Go shop up, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. That's it. Peace.
The next day.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Just here back with another video. Yeah, my hair is getting out of control. I can't get a haircut. You guys already know what's going on. And this happened because it's in my face all the time. I don't know how long I'm going to be keeping it, but I don't know. My mom just did it for me, and it's staying for the video. Don't hate me too much. But anyway, we got another unboxing. Obviously, second half of the first video. So, I got this pair in from, these are the Royal Toe Jordan 1s. I got this pair from DTLR. The other pair I got was from Foot Locker. Those, I shipped out those today. I already sold them before I even got them in. These are still available, but I'm probably going to be holding them for a little bit until they go back up. They're at like $250 right now. So I can still sell them for $250 and make like $60, $70 or something like that. But I'd rather hold them for maybe 4 to 6 months, maybe probably till the ending of this year. And they'll probably be up over to like 300 again. So I'm just gonna wait until that happens. I thought I already cut the side. I think I flipped it. Go ahead. Cut it open. There we go. So I got them in from this pair in from DTLR, and they always have like the tight fit packaging going on right there. So go ahead. Oh my God, these are really in there. There we go. Get them out. Toss the box in the back. You guys already know what we got going on. Size 11. What's the official colorway anyway? Is it black, white, Game Royal? Retail obviously $170. Still not really caring for the whole the retail price tag going up $10, but I can't really change it. I'm still gonna buy them regardless. But go ahead, crack these guys open. We already know what we got inside. Royal Toe Jordan 1s. Trying to, again, like I said with the other pair, they have that heavy leather smell that the David Letterman Jordan 1s had. The leather quality is amazing on this pair. I think they did a good job with them. I like the colorway, just not really too concerned with keeping a pair for myself. So like I said, I am going to be holding on to these for a few months, unless if I get a good offer now. Give you guys another up close look at these. Anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. So I got 2 pairs of these, 9.5 and 11. The 9.5 is already gone. I shipped those out today. 11 we'll be holding on to for a little bit. But anyway, hope you guys all enjoy. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, resale page, Fizz Kicks, clothing brand page, Fizz New York. New drop is live on the site. Go check it out. Go shop up. And I will see you guys all in the next video. That's it.